Okay, in this video I'm going to show you, I want you to submit your work in this SG13 class. I'm starting off from where we left the previous video, where we actually created a little introductory Hello World project. First of all, before you exit out of Visual Studio, save all. Oops. Do a save all. Not a great idea just to do a save, because there's so many things that are happening behind the scenes. You don't know which files are actually being saved, so you should always do a save all. Okay. Also, don't do file save as is here. It can really mess some of the configuration files up for your project, and lots of times when things get messed up just a bit, the easiest thing is, instead of trying to figure it out, is to start all over again. So try to do everything just using a save all here. So I've saved my project, and I'm going to exit out of Visual Studio. Here I've got Vista here. You may have Windows 7. I'm going into a folder where all my documents are kept. Within there's a documents folder. Underneath that, here's Visual Studio 2010 folder. Go into that. Here's a folder called projects, and from there, here's where your projects and all their files are kept. This is the one that I just got through doing, Hello World 1. So this is the top level of my project. And just to look inside of it a little bit, first thing you'll see, first file you'll see is a Microsoft Visual Studio solution file. This contains all the things Visual Studio needs to bring your program back in for you to edit again. And actually, if I double click on this file, that's the easiest way to go back in and start editing a file that you've been working on before. Brings it all back up for you. If I go into the Hello World 1 folder, here's the .cs files that were created, some other configuration files, some other folders. Really not that important to know what these do right now, but just trying to show you that there's a lot of stuff just to create one little project here. So I'm going to go back out to this top level here. This is where I want to zip things to submit them to be graded. So if this is what I was going to submit, I'd go over and click on this, then do a right click, send to, compress zip folder. Just click, and then here's a zip file that contains all of the stuff that's in this folder and everything below it. Alright, so now if I go into Moodle, we'll go to our classes website within Moodle, and I'm going to go here and change my role real quick to a student role. Scroll down here, and let's say I want to upload this project here. Upload zip project for section 2.6. Let's pretend that Hello World was this actual project here. So I click on this, takes me to upload a file. I'm going to click on that, choose a file. Here I'm going to click upload a file, and then browse. Then I'm going to navigate to wherever I saved all that. It was there in this top level folder. let me click. Well, some latency issues here. Here we go. Documents, Visual Studio 2010, projects, and now I'm looking for this zip folder. Hello World 1, it's got the little zip icon in it. Okay, then I'm going to upload that file. There it is, I know it's there, and save my changes, and now I have submitted that assignment. If you have any questions about how to do that, please don't hesitate to contact me. If you want, you can view this video, you know, back it up, restart it to go through those steps again. But that's basically how I want you to submit things to me. Again, if you got any questions, I'll be online via email or Blackboard IM. See you guys later.